The Kaizena add-on can be accessed by going under the add-ons menu, selecting Kaizena, and then choosing the Open Kaizena option. This will open a panel on the right, which will have several options available. The one we will use is Voice Message. To use this feature, simply highlight the text to add the comment to, and click Voice Message to begin the recording. You can select the highlight color if you choose. In this example, I am recording my voice to the typed text in the document, which would be a great way for students to practice speaking in the target language. After the voice message has been recorded, the user simply needs to click the play button to hear the message. As you can see in this example, the voice is currently being recorded. I have that audio not included as I narrate the steps. In the next clip, you will see it being played. Los gatos de la casa. Hay 5 gatos que viven en el campo en una casa grande. La familia de la casa. Another way that Kaizena can be used is for the teacher to provide feedback to students. So for example, I could highlight an area where I want to bring attention to a student. Rather than adding a typed comment, I can add voice message. I can choose my highlighting color. Mariana, pequeña, anaranjada. These need to be in the masculine form because we're describing el gato. And at that point, Mariana would be able to view this within her document, be able to play the comment, and hear that feedback. Mariana, pequeña, anaranjada. These need to be in the masculine form because we're describing. Okay, and I'll stop that there, but what you have the opportunity to do on the user end of it is to click on the More button, which is the 3 dots. They can choose to resolve, they could reply, they can do some other things as well, and the comment can also be removed. So those are all the options. Many things you can do with Kaizena. As I mentioned previously, more beyond the scope of what we can cover in the course that we're currently covering.